Good morning. This is Dave, your friendly M1 Garand guru. Most of y'all know I do reenactments and living histories. Started out in the Civil War and have moved up to World War II. And something you don't see at reenactments and living histories is demonstrations on grenade launchers. And I'm going to start doing that. I have come up with a couple of grenades. One being AP, anti-personnel, and this odd looking one is AT, which is an anti-tank grenade. Okay, I'm going to be launching these here in just a moment. I'm going to leave the video running. This is a practice session for me also, and it's going to be a lot of fun. The range here is about 100 yards. These are designed, the grenade launchers are designed to launch a grenade about 200 meters, which will be 220 yards, let's say. So we're going to do that here in just a second. And in the meantime, you have to have a special adapter for your M1 Garand. And it's a grenade launcher. It slips over the barrel and presses down on the gas release port, and it also locks into the bayonet lug. It has 6 different settings for 6 different pressures on how far you want to launch a grenade. And it also has a sight, a grenade sight, the launcher sight, and I have it attached to the M1 Garand here on the side. And I don't have the sight with me. I left it at home. I really didn't need it. But it's an interesting piece, and it's got a peep sight on it. And it helps you on your angles. Today we're going to be launching these grenades at about a 45-degree angle. I really don't want to go out into the woods and try to find these. I don't have any surveyor tape to tie onto them to find them easy. They are OD green. And anyway, and this old Garand here, it's in the 3 million range, and it is a Springfield Armory, and it's just one of the nicer ones I've got. It has a rare piece on the sight here where it has a horizontal cut to tighten the sight down. They didn't do that very long, but here we go. We are going to go out here and launch a grenade, and always make sure your gun or your rifle, whatever it may be, is on safety before you ever start doing anything with them, okay? So first we check, safety is on. Oh, it's off. Now the safety's on. We'll load our blank cartridge. And I don't know if you've ever heard of M1 thumb. It's something you never want to have. It hurts. You will know if you ever get it. We load the weapon. And we'll take a stance here. We're going to put the grenade on. And like I said, we're going to shoot at about a 45-degree angle. All right, if y'all's ready, here we go. You're going to lose this once it leaves the muzzle. If you zoom in at the end after I fired it down range, you might can see it land. I should shoot this at about 90 to 100 yards. And here we go. At that angle, that one went about 80 yards. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did.